Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTR 2E and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. One thing to mention before we continue is that it's recommended to check your battery level. Check if it's above 20 or 30%, because if it's not, I recommend to charge your battery, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So wake up the screen by pressing the upper button, then press it again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. Once you find it, tap on it. Scroll down, find the option called the system, select it, and then scroll down and find the factory reset option and tap on it. Finally, tap on the checkmark to confirm and wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.